Guys, my name is MacKenzie Chaffin. Welcome to my Google Classroom. So I named my Google Classroom MS.C's Google Classroom because I know that a lot of people struggle to say my last name correctly, so I thought it would just be easier to be called MS.C. I chose the books in the background because my focus is English, so I wanted to create this classroom for my future classroom. Based off of English assignments and stuff like that. So for the Welcome to MS.C's Google Classroom, I basically just did an introduction. Basically just told them what this would be used for. Didn't really place any rules, but I think that would be good to add later to it. Here's my Tell Us About Yourself introduction post. Basically, the basic questions: where are you from? Do you have any pets? What do you do in your free time? And then I posted about myself down here. Here is this assignment, the water cycle based off of our discussion board 2. What I found really cool about this assignment was the things that we could incorporate within the classroom for using technology, because I never was really exposed to the different types of resources that we have. So what I did was a basic introduction of the water cycle and how it works, the steps it takes, and everything like that. The second thing was to play a matching game of the steps that the water cycle takes. And then basically write a reflection about what they have learned, and then they can turn it in here or within the classroom. And here's my Google Docs assignment 2. This one I did over short and long vowel sounds, second grade language arts. So basically the students will group up in teams of 4 and go around in stations. There'll be 4 different stations, 2 with interactive games, 1 including short vowel sounds and 1 including long vowel sounds. And then 2 other ones will be hands-on activities where they quiz their neighbor about short vowel sounds, and then another one is writing down as many long vowel sounds as they can. Back to the classroom. I really didn't do a lot of research on how to work the classroom, but I think it's honestly a very, very good platform to use within the classroom, especially if you're trying to contact parents. So through Google Classroom, I feel that it would be very beneficial for me and my students and their parents. I'm really tech savvy, so it will also help me to continue learning new things with technology to introduce to my students. And technology is fastly evolving, and I feel that it is important for students to be exposed to different types of platforms that can be used to learn. This will also allow students to have the chance to be vocal if they aren't comfortable with being vocal in the classroom, which I feel is very important for everybody to feel comfortable. But all in all, I feel that it's going to be an enhancement within my future classroom, and I'm definitely going to use this in the future. Thank you.